You can expect a lot from the 2011 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Ford's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.